How to change YouTube password on phone. Now first of all, you don't change YouTube password. What you change is your Google account password. And to achieve this right from your phone, you can just open the YouTube app itself. Depending upon whether you're logged in or not, just tap on the profile icon of your account, then go to Google account, which will take you to the manage Google account page. Once you're here on this page, from the very top you can simply navigate to security. Then once you navigate to the security option, simply scroll down and here look for password, and then just tap on password. Now to change it, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all verify with your current password if it asks you to, or also verify with your two-factor authentication or whatever that you have. And once you have verified it, then you'll be able to change your YouTube password, or in a nutshell, your Google account password. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.